So I brought in three of the basil plants that seem to have become quite stunted while growing in our backyard in the natural weather conditions that we have here. And I'm using a what would normally be our fruit bowl, or what I have been borrowing as a fruit bowl, and uh, since soil, obviously culinary herbs are reused in recipes and things like that, and so soil's not going, it's not going to do any harm if it gets on, let's say, a piece of fruit, for example. Like, it's not going to do anything. It comes from the earth, and you can always rinse it off again. I'm not going to be upset over that. Borrowing the fruit bowl to remove some of the excess soil gently away from the roots of these sweet basil plants. And then I plan on transplanting them in these Pepsi bottles that are that use real sugar instead of high fructose corn syrup. And I began using spirulina and chlorella tablets as a source of natural plant food, which also fortify these scallion plants with omega-3s. The spirulina and chlorella tablets are also a complete source of protein. So, not only do they nourish the plants in a hydroponic style indoor garden, they also it's difficult for me to concentrate in this environment here. And the only thing that I believe, the only nutrient that would be lacking in here would be phosphorus and maybe manganese, which you can get from, let's say, hemp seed. I plan on dehydrating some shelled hemp seeds and grinding it in a coffee grinder and potentially see how well these begin to grow. Just like this one that I'm filming right here, that I have focus on, was originally stunted just like these two here, until I had included the spirulina chlorella tablets. Not only do spirulina and chlorella tablets contain a complete source of protein, they are also a way that you can fortify other culinary herbs indoors with vitamin B12 and omega-3 and 6, when by nature they do not contain those nutrients.